Today we're going to repair this asphalt roof. As you can see, there is a very good crack along asphalt, along the shingles. As you can see, there are some other ones that were done with a little of the roofing cement, but no fabric was used, so that opened up again. And here you'll be needing a brush to clean out the crack, scissors to cut the fabric, and the cement. A quick note about this roof cement. It's fiber reinforced plastic roof cement, and it can be used in wet or dry conditions to cement the fabric to the crack. First, we're going to clean out the crack. Now use the gloves to spread the roof patch cement into and around the crack. I'm using gloves instead of a trowel because I find it easier in cold weather. Spread it a little wider than the fabric's width. There. Now, apply the fabric. Cut it to the length you need. Well, now you have a patch like that. Now you want to apply another coat over it.
Finished. That is all there is to it. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out my other videos on my YouTube channel, Fox Know How.